Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. Isn't it cute? This pile of pretties with a kitty sitting on top about to knock them all over. I wouldn't put it past him. So let's make another one, a different colourway this time. We're going to use the stamp set, Warm Welcome. We're going to use the presents, the kitty and the little sentiment, It's Your Day. Going to stamp everything in Memento Tuxedo Black so we can colour in with the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. And I'm going to stamp these presents 3 times. So that we can cut them out and stack them however we want them. And my Tuxedo Black really does need to be reinked. Okay, let's do it again. And that one I smudged at the bottom, so I'm going to do another one. Okay. Last one, that's that one. Now our little kitty. There we go. And then our sentiment. Just here, It's Your Day. How did that dimensional backing get there? I haven't even used them yet. I'm just going to stamp this in the corner. It's Your Day. Okay. So, that's everything stamped. So now I'm going to colour in. This one I used Melon Mambo and Daffodil Delight. And I think this time I'm going to do differently. So I'm going to use for my kitty the same thing. Pale Pawpaw or Pale Papaya. And then I think I'm going to use Sweet Sorbet instead for my presents, and I might use Daffodil Delight again for the other stuff, so we'll see. Slightly different colourway. The background papers will be different though. Okay, so I'm going to get colouring and I'll put you on fast forward and I'll see you at the end. So everything is coloured in, and I just coloured out with the matching Warm Welcome dies. I'll try and show you those in a second. I've just put them away. These are the Warm Welcome dies. And then I cut out 2 pieces of pretty paper. This is the in-colour pattern paper, DSP, Sweet Sorbet and Starry Night. I used this star here, the deckled rectangle dies, to do that. So let's start to assemble our card. Our card base is thick basic white, and this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half, and we're going to stick these 2 pieces down. So let's do that. I've done the darker one on top. So on the original card I used Orchid Oasis and Tahitian Tide, but this time I'm using, as I said, Sweet Sorbet and Starry Sky. So let's do that. And then we're going to arrange our presents. Some of them are going to be flat, some of them are going to have dimensions on them. And let me get out some dimensionals. That's it. My scissors. I'm going to cut these prezzies apart, all of them. So I'm just going to cut these black lines here, just cut them apart and then cut off any little bits that are overhanging. So I did cut out the presents initially with the die, and then, as I said, the rest I'm just doing here with the scissors. I think they look just so cute. So let's do this one here. So I hope the new year's going well for you, and that everything went okay over Christmas, the break, and that you hopefully had a chance to have a little break. I know some people always take it off, some people don't. It's just personal preference whether you've maybe got family around or you want to take it off. Working for myself, obviously I can always take it off if I want, though I did do quite a bit of work between Christmas and New Year, making videos and all the work that's associated with that, editing photos, blogs and all that sort of stuff. So there we go, our presents are all cut up, so let's start to arrange them. And I tend to sort of just fiddle with them, arrange things, you know, how I want them. No, I don't like that. Let's see. We want a space for a cat to sit on top as well. And I think that will do fine. So let's start to glue everything down. Okay. So then the sentiment, it's your day. I just cut this out freehand using my scissors, and I want to trim off a little bit more, I think. I'm not totally happy with that. That looks better to me. And then just a bit of glue on the back. I'm going to put this down, just coming out there. It's your day. Try and get it straightish, like that. And then finishing touches. I'm going to use some ink coloured dots if I can find them. Let me see where they are. Here they are. Let's see, let's use some of these sweet sorbet ones here this time to be a little different. We're gonna have that like that. So there you go, they're the two cards, two colourways. You can tell me which you prefer, this one or that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about the project, the supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.